What if intelligence isn't measured by IQ, but by the habits you repeat every day? You could be bright, capable, and ambitious, but certain invisible habits might be quietly rewiring your brain and keeping you stuck in frustration. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn 4 mind habits that stop even smart people from leveling up in life and how to fix them. Welcome back to Blurb Spark, where we break down big psychology ideas into simple daily truths you can actually use. Today, we're looking at habits that may seem harmless, but quietly work against your growth. Not IQ, not genetics, but your daily mental patterns. Let's get into it. Most people run from silence. If the TV's off, the phone's quiet, or there's nothing to distract them, panic sets in. But silence isn't emptiness, it's clarity. People who avoid quiet never reflect, never learn from their mistakes, and never grow. Taking just 10 minutes alone with your thoughts builds mental strength your brain can't get from noise or distraction. Scrolling, snacking, scrolling again, constantly chasing dopamine hits trains your brain to avoid effort. Let's be honest. If it's not fun right now, then you don't do it. Hard tasks get postponed, small wins become rare. Real growth isn't quick or flashy. It's built by embracing discomfort. Loud confidence feels strong until you realize there's nothing under the surface. This is the Dunning-Kruger habit, thinking you know more than you do. Smart people admit, "I don't know," then learn more. True confidence equals preparedness, not bravado. Blindly copying trends, ideas, and rules without questioning them? That's not intelligence. That's mental autopilot. Great minds don't just follow, they question, test, and evolve. Adapt, adjust, improve. Here's the hidden truth. Your intelligence isn't fixed. It's shaped by your daily mind habits. These patterns either train your brain to stay stuck or to break free. Silence builds clarity. Delayed reward builds discipline. Learning builds real confidence. Thinking builds wisdom. Choose habits, not shortcuts. If this opened your eyes, drop a bic in the comments and tell me which of these habits you'll change this week. Subscribe to Blurb Spark